Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Call of Ktulu on guitar. Start by tuning to drop D and learn the main riff slowly with a metronome. Focus on clean alternate picking and precise palm muting to lock the groove. Break the riff into 4-bar phrases, loop each phrase until smooth, then gradually increase tempo by 5 to 10 BPM while keeping accuracy and tone consistent. Begin by isolating the signature main riff and practice slow, clean repetitions until your fingers know each position. Focus on dynamics, letting low notes ring while controlling high choked accents, and aim for consistent palm muting throughout. Use small, relaxed motions in your fretting hand and work with a metronome, increasing tempo in small increments as you gain confidence and precision in each section. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for socks that feel great and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long rehearsal sessions or sweaty stage nights. They're comfy, durable, and worth the investment for any touring or practicing guitarist. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Approach the lead parts by listening for phrasing and matching note lengths and expression rather than rushing technical speed. Isolate tricky licks and loop them until bends and vibrato feel natural, then integrate them into the solo with smooth transitions. Use light compression and a slightly overdriven tone to emulate the original character, and record practice sessions so you can spot timing or tonal details to refine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.